Welcome to LifeAID. It's time to take control of our health and fitness. The journey to a healthier, fitter you starts with small steps and a positive attitude. Here are some tips and tricks to help you along the way. First, set a goal. Whether it's to lose weight, run a marathon, or simply feel better in your own skin, having a clear objective in mind will help keep you motivated. Next, make a plan. Decide on a workout routine that works for you and stick to it. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or taking a yoga class, find something that you enjoy and that you can commit to. In addition to regular exercise, it's important to pay attention to what you eat. Eating a balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins will give you the energy you need to power through your workouts and help you reach your goals. Another important aspect of getting fit and healthy is getting enough sleep. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night to help your body recover and rejuvenate. Lastly, don't be afraid to seek help when needed. A personal trainer, nutritionist, or even a support group can be invaluable resources to help you along the way. In conclusion, getting fit and healthy takes time, commitment, and a positive attitude. But with a clear goal in mind, a solid plan, and the right support, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, the journey to a healthier you starts today, so let's get moving and make it happen.
Remember to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.